Hello students! How are you? Are you ready with the new topic? Let's begin our speaking class. Jobs. Job, the work that you do to get money. What do you do? Used to ask someone about their job. Occupation, a job. Office worker, a person who works in an office. Commute, to travel between work and home. Rearrange the letter in the correct order to make a word. What is that? Good. Commute. Do you know the answer? Yes, office worker. Can you guess it? Good. Occupation.
What do you do, Nina?
I am an office worker at an information technology company.
I see. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it, but it takes an hour and a half to commute.
Wow, that's a long time. I can't imagine doing that.
Let's stop here our class today.